Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Last week we took the delivery of the Thar Roxx and I had told that I'll be making a video on the accessories that has been installed on this car. I hope you guys have watched the delivery video. If not, I'll put the link to it in the description below, or please watch it at the end of this video. So all the accessories that I've installed are genuine accessories from Mahindra, and also there are a couple of aftermarket accessories which were also installed from the showroom itself. I'll put the price list for all the accessories towards the end of the video. Starting from the front, as you can see, I haven't installed any sort of accessories up front. No app leaks, no fog lights. But when you come to the side, you will see that I have installed mud flaps front and rear. This is a must-have accessory because all the mud will get splashed onto your footboard as well as door panels, and that gets dirty real quick. It doesn't matter if you don't install any other accessories on this car, but that's a must-have. The next one I have installed is the mirror applique, piano black color. The stock one was too blank. It was complete matte black, and that is not looking good. So this applique kind of enhances the look of it. I personally like it. It's not necessary that you need to install it, but yes, if you like the look of it, please go ahead and install it. I've also installed the cladding for this car. So there are two options when it comes to cladding. One is fender and bottom cladding. So I have installed only the bottom cladding. That's because I like the look of this one more than the fender plus the bottom cladding. But I'll put the image of it on the screen right now so that you can have a look at it. It's also not necessary that you need to install this because you have footboard which will protect the car. But then if there's any footpath and when you're opening the door, this will take the impact first. So yes, this is a useful accessory. So if you want, you can go ahead and install this as well. And then similar to the mirror applique, I've installed door applique, not for the rear ones. You have option. Again, you have two options here. One is 5-door applique and the other one is front door applique. So I have opted only for the front door one because I like the body color of the rear one. And then coming to the rear, I have installed taillight applique, and this is how it looks. I really like the look of this one than the stock taillight which is given on this car. Let me give you a closer look. This is plastic quality, so it's not going to really protect your taillight. But then yes, in case there's a flying stone coming towards your taillight, I think that'll take the impact and it's going to protect your taillight. And then there's a small stickering there. Other than that, we have aluminium scuff plates. So there are two options. One is SS and then we have the aluminium one. So I opted for the aluminium one, and this looks really good. And yeah, it's obviously going to protect your car from being scratched. So that's also a must-have if you ask me. So right above the scuff plates, we have the 70 mats. As you can see, there's Thar mentioned. This is of a really good quality and there's no other branding on this mat, no other color. So it's kind of matching the entire interior of the car. This is on a pricier side compared to the aftermarket options. I think the aftermarket options are somewhere around 5 to 6K, but this is around 10K. So if you really like the look of this one, and if you don't want any other branding, and also if you want a really good quality 70 mats, you can go for this one from the showroom itself. And then finally, I have also installed in-axis dash cam. This is from the showroom itself. I think the model number is D202. As you can see, it's a front and rear dash cam. The rear one is not getting focused. But the best thing about this dash cam is that, let me show it to you guys. That this will get connected directly to your OBD port. not focusing. So yeah, so you're not going to lose out on any of your power outlets, nor are you going to lose out on your warranty. So they're not gonna cut your wire and things like that. So it's very simple setup, and they've done a decent job in terms of running the wire. So these are the accessories. That's around 15,000 rupees, by the way. So let me quickly take you guys through the prices of the accessories as well. This was around 1,750. This was also around 1,750. The bottom cladding is around 3,800. This is 700 rupees. This was also around 2,000 ish, if I'm not wrong. And the scuff plate is around 1,300, 1,500. I'll put the exact prices to these accessories right now on the screen. So please take a screenshot, or I'll put it for a longer time so that you can go through the entire price list. This is how the car looks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. Do subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more Roxx videos. Until next time.